Hello everyone, my name is Eugene and I'm the lead trainer for e-computing systems. Today I'm going to show you how you can protect your Facebook account from hackers. Right now, of late, a lot of people's accounts have been hacked. So there are features in Facebook that allows us to protect our account from these malicious people. Right. This is a new account that I just created for just this purpose. There's a feature on Facebook called two-factor authentication, and two-factor authentication or 2FA is not only on Facebook, it's on Instagram, it's on Twitter, it's on Gmail. Any account that you have on the internet can be protected with two-factor authentication or 2FA. You just need to know where it is. So on Facebook, they have changed their user interface. Back then it used to be blue and white with some classic design like that. If you are still using that one, maybe you get a little bit lost when you're doing this. But if your interface is a new one like this one, what you need to do is that if you are doing this on PC, you just log into your account and you go to this option that we have over here. Okay, so you click on this, it gives you an option for settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy, there is a settings option over here. You just click on it. Once you click on it, you see that there is an option on the left side over here called security and login. So you click on that and then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see the logins that have been done. If you check the site where you are logged in and you realize that there's been a couple of logins at specific times and dates and it's not you, you have to change your password, right? One of the things that you can use to protect your account very well is to change your password very often, right? And when you come here, you can do so from this side. But that's not what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how you can protect your account very well. And when you scroll down a bit, you see that we have this option over here, two-factor authentication, right? So what it's basically going to do is that it's going to ensure that if someone tries to log into your account, they will send a verification code to your phone for you to verify before the person gets access. So let's see how this works. So we have option here for use two-factor authentication. You just need to click here, edit, and then it will give you an option to specify how you want to do this security setting, right? These ones looks a little bit complicated, but this is very easy. Text message. So when you click on this option over here, use text message, it's going to ask you for a phone number. So anytime you try to log into your Facebook account, it will send a verification code to your phone number to enter in addition before the logon process works. So even if someone is able to hack Facebook's database and he tries to log in with your actual password, they will send a verification code to you. So let's say all of a sudden you are there one morning, you have not logged into your Facebook, and a verification code comes to you that you should confirm. Sometimes it comes with an app, sometimes it comes as an SMS that you should confirm that you are attempting to log on to your Facebook and you know you are not the one. It means that someone has gotten hold of your password, so you have to change your password. But the person cannot log in because the phone is with you. So unless someone has your phone in addition with your password, he or she cannot log in into your Facebook account, which is very cool. So I have already entered a phone number over here. But if you don't have a phone number here, what you're going to do is that you're going to select add a phone number here, and then you click continue here. So when you click continue, it will give you an option to specify your phone number. I am in Ghana, so you click here, you enter your phone number. Let's say and then you click on this option over here. Continue. So once you click continue over here, it's going to send a verification code to that your phone number to verify whether it's an actual phone number and whether this number is actually yours. So I'll check my phone. I'll check my phone right now and they've sent me a verification code. So I'm going to enter the verification code in here. And the verification code changes from each login to, so if someone even sees my verification code now, he cannot reuse it again to log into my account, because every time you attempt logging in, the verification code changes, which is cool. So I'm going to put in a verification code that I received. as an SMS from Facebook on my phone right now here. Okay, so once you enter the verification code you received via SMS on your phone, you click continue. And then they will confirm that, okay, you have verified that this is your phone number, and every time you want to log into your Facebook account, they should send a code to it for you to check before it works, right? That is one of the best ways that you can protect your account from being hacked. Okay, so it tells us everything is done. Two-factor authentication is turned on. They place my phone number in here. Okay, so they are saying that we will send a verification code to this number if we notice an attempt login from your device or browser or whatever. This is basically telling us that anytime you try to log in or someone tries to log in, a verification code will be sent to your phone to enter it before it works. So without someone getting hold of your phone, even if the person knows your password, you can't log into your Facebook account. Cool, right? Okay, so this is how we do it on the PC. I recommend you follow the same steps if you want to do it on the phone.